Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Alu or Simla Mirch ki Sukhi Sabzi Naye Andaz main, that is potato and bell peppers dry curry in new style. Potatoes and capsicum complement each other in fabulous way when cooked together. Alu Simla Mirch ki Sukhi Sabzi, that is potato and capsicum dry curry, is among India's most popular curries. We are making this fabulous dish with a little twist. Usually this dry curry is cooked using green capsicum, but we are using 3 different color bell peppers to make it. Use of these different colored bell peppers has not only added fabulous colors but has taken the taste of this dish to another level. You also make this very easy to make amazing colorful dish and serve it to your dear ones as main or side dish accompanied with naan, roti, parantha or daal chawal. Everyone is going to appreciate you for cooking and serving such attractive looking delicious and healthy dish. Peel 2 or 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut into cubes or a bit large chunks. Also take 1/2 of a large green bell pepper, that is capsicum, 1/2 of a large yellow bell pepper, and 1/2 of a large red bell pepper. We are using these 3 color bell peppers, but you may use less or more variety of bell peppers according to choice or availability. Remove seeds from bell peppers and cut them all into chunks. Add about 1 or 2 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee in pan or wok over medium heat. If you are on vegan diet, don't use ghee and use any cooking oil of choice. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, into hot oil. Stir and saute for few seconds, or just until cumin starts to splutter. Add peeled and cubed potato chunks into pan. Stir to coat all potato chunks well with oil and saute while turning sides of chunks occasionally for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Keep on turning sides frequently so as to cook and brown potato chunks evenly. You may toss by shaking wok also if convenient to you. Saute until potato chunks are well cooked and turn reddish golden and crispy. Keep on turning sides until all potato chunks turn crispy. Reduce heat to medium-low and add about 3/4 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder. Stir to mix and season potato chunks evenly and saute for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. You may add little more oil if required. We have added little oil because masala was getting too dried. Stir and saute for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. Potato chunks are also well cooked by now, crispy on outer surface and tender from inside. Now add all bell peppers. Increase heat to medium. Stir and saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Do not overcook because a little crunch in bell peppers enhances the taste of dish, but you may cook for a longer period if want to tender bell peppers. We like crunchy bell peppers, so not cooking for long. Add 1 teaspoon dhaniya powder, that is ground coriander seeds. We use coarsely ground homemade coriander powder. You may also use coarsely ground coriander seeds. It enhances the taste of vegetables. Also add 1/2 teaspoon or to taste of amchur powder, that is ground dried raw mango powder, and 1/2 teaspoon or to taste garam masala. Stir to season all evenly and cook further for final 2 minutes to roast all. Transfer into serving bowl. Serve warm. Alu Simla Mirch ki Sukhi Sabzi Naye Andaz main, that is potato and bell peppers dry curry in new style accompanied with naan, roti, parantha or daal chawal. Enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click on like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. If you are new watching video on our channel, then please click on our photo on screen or red subscribe button below to subscribe. Also click on bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of our new videos. Thanks.